This 5-minute solution will show you how to troubleshoot an iPhone stuck at checking for updates problem on iPhone. So if you're trying to update your iOS version but you see this checking for updates error, just follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet connection. If you're using a poor internet connection, it could be the reason of this issue. So make sure to use a stable internet connection and then check the issue. And the second solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and try to update your iOS version. And the third solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, it may be the reason of this issue. So free up your iPhone storage. Go to settings, general, iPhone storage, and check your iPhone storage here. If it's almost full, then offload unwanted app from this list and free up your storage, and it should fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.